you're going to start seeing smoke come out of their ears, and the screws and stuff are going to be turned around in their head because they're really processing. And the last thing you do is get to choose and implement what's best for you. Now, you know what's not up there? Agree with Bryant Smith. I'm born and raised on the south side of Chicago, currently living in Clemson, South Carolina. And if after you go through this session, you don't like, believe, or care about what I said, that's great. But in order for you to disagree, I'm asking you to be a critical thinker. Wait till you get to the end. Form your opinions. But it's not about agreeing with me. But in order to disagree, you got to at least go through this process. Now, are we ready and excited?
Yeah.
Foundation's been laid. Now you got to prove it. Who's a critical thinker in here? Critical thinker? Critical thinker? You like to believe so. So what's your name?
Marcus.
Marcus. If I say to you, Marcus, grass is not green, what are you going to say?
Yes. Grass.
What grass? Good. He asked the question like, what grass? Because some grass may not be green. But he didn't come back with, grass is green. He was able to suspend what he's been taught. What color is green? There are all types of questions you can ask to prove your critical thinker. So very good. I think you have just proved that you're a critical thinker. So I'm going to take it that you represent the group. The group is ready to do what you just did. We can go
We got
forward.
one more critical thinker.
Oh, where was the other critical thinker?
Right here.
What's your name?
Andre.
Andre. Andre, you know water's not wet. There you go. One word question, but it still works. He didn't go, yes, it is. Although he thought of it. You see that pause? And it's like, Okay, so we're ready. Good critical thinkers. You thought you weren't going to get started. We're ready to do the experiential learning activity. Are you ready?